Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the device. Use a dedicated offline PC or an isolated virtual machine so your main system stays safe. Once done, disable Auto Run and Auto Play to prevent automatic execution and connect a hardware write blocker to avoid accidental writes. Make sure to update your antivirus and threat scanners first, because fresh signatures increase detection chances. You do this to reduce risk while gaining safe visibility into the USB's contents before deeper analysis. You now examine files without executing them. Mount the USB read-only in the isolated environment and list all files, revealing hidden or auto-run items. Next, compute hashes like MD5 or SHA-256 and compare them to known threat databases. This speeds identification. Once flagged items are noted, perform static analysis to inspect file headers and metadata, and only then run unknown executables in a sandboxed VM to observe behavior safely. You finish by containing and resolving the threat. Quarantine infected files and securely erase the USB using trusted tools or retain it for forensic analysis if needed. Make sure to document everything: file hashes, names, timestamps, and the actions you took, so others can follow up. If the device touched any production machines, reimage those systems and rotate credentials. Troubleshooting tip: if you still see suspicious behavior after cleanup, isolate the network and preserve logs for a full forensic review.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.